This hair got me feeling like a baddie, cause I eat my rice and cabbage. Nadula hair on me looking married. Today I will be showing you guys how I styled this wig. This is Nadula hair. So we gonna see if Queen was, requesting some quality hair or suggesting quality hair. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So I know this is a little different setup. I just was up late last night doing this hair, and I put on a wig this morning, and I wanted to come on and give y'all the intro and outro and talk a little bit about the hair. So as you can see, this is my first time trying to do, like, I guess highlights. I don't know what you would call it, but like what closure. I got bags up under my eyes. I was doing this hair until like 3 in the morning. Anyway, this is Nadula hair. This is their Brazilian body wave hair, and it is 2 18s and 2 20s, and then a 18-inch closure, I believe. I made sure I put everything on the screen. I wound up putting in 4.5 bundles because I wanted it to be really full, which it is. And then this is how the color turned out. I think it turned out pretty good for this to be like my first time trying to, do some little highlights, something different. So the hair didn't really have any crazy smell. It got here in 2 business days, and everything was, wrapped individually, and it had labels on it. So I really appreciate when they put labels on it, so you don't have to guess, which bundle is which inch, especially if they're in a row like that. And yeah, so when you take the hair out of the pack, it is very, 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 very soft. And it doesn't tangle much at all. And then after dyeing this hair, like, it still feels soft to the touch. All I did was add some oils on the ends where it was like processed a little bit longer, and as you can see, like, there's barely any frizz. It doesn't lack luster. Like, it looks nice, shiny, and it looks good. Okay, excuse my smacking, but this hair got me feeling like a baddie, cause I eat my rice and cabbage. Nadula hair on me looking married. Yes. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much my review for this hair. I love the frontal. I mean, not the frontal, it's a closure. The closure was very nice. It didn't have a part already in it, which I appreciated, so I could pluck my own natural part, and I feel like it looks very natural. I plucked it, and then I plucked the edges as well, and then I added a few little baby hairs. So the closure goes from about here to over here. So yeah, if y'all have questions about this hair, please ask me in the comment section below. I'll definitely answer you guys. I do not think Queen Naja was lying at all, because honey, this hair is, I like it. I like it. This hair is cute, and I really do like it. It's very soft. I have to give y'all some updates after, you know, having the hair for a while, because I know sometimes processed hair doesn't last as long. So I'll have to, you know, give y'all an updated review after like a month or so. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed looking at this bare face shawty. I'm about to go to work because I'm kind of running late. So I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Bye guys.